Okay, to access, this is a Kenmore sewing machine. To move the light shroud out of the way to be able to access the presser foot bar on a machine that is jammed. Remove the little screw here and the little screw here. Just leave it right on. Don't undo your wire, and just leave the wires attached and just scoot that out of the way. Now you can actually see the presser foot bar, and have access to work on it. To unjam yours, do the WD-40 and oil trick right down there where the bar goes through the body of the machine. And if it is jammed in a position like this, you may need to actually take and lay a flathead screwdriver, if you can get it right there, against the machine, and hold the screwdriver sideways horizontally, and then use a rubber mallet and just tap on the bar of the screwdriver when it's tapped on here, or setting on here for leverage, and just gently tap it with the rubber mallet to see if you can break the presser foot bar free where it's jammed inside the machine. But that way you can have access to the area in here to see what else might be going on with the presser foot bar. But I hope this helps. It should be able to move like this once it's freed up properly. But this is the easiest way to access the area where you need to get. Probably the area that's probably causing the jam, I would guess, is right down there where my fingernail is pointing at. Okay, best of luck. Please let us know how it goes.